Okay, so your iPhone 12 Pro Max is being super quiet, huh? No service, no baseband, no Wi-Fi. That's a real pain. Before we open up your phone, let's give it a quick check. First, look for any scratches, dents or cracks. Dropping your phone or bending it can sometimes damage things inside. Next, take out your SIM card tray. Make sure the SIM card isn't broken or in the wrong way. You can even try a different SIM card just to be sure. Sometimes it's the little things. If you see any bent pins in the SIM tray, that's a bad sign. Try to carefully straighten them, but be very gentle. If everything looks okay, but your phone is still acting up, don't worry, we have more tricks to try. Let's try fixing it with software. Sometimes the problem isn't the phone itself, but a software glitch. Let's try a force restart. It's like restarting your phone, but stronger. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then do the same with the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo shows up. Once your phone is back on, go into your settings and make sure airplane mode is off. Double check that you're connected to the right Wi-Fi network and that your cellular data is turned on. It's easy to miss these simple settings. If your phone is still being difficult, don't give up on us yet. We have more software solutions to try. Let's try updating your carrier settings. These settings control how your phone connects to your carrier's network. Go to Settings, General About, and if there's an update available, you'll see a message. You can also try resetting your network settings. This will erase all your saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, so make sure you have those written down somewhere safe. Go to Settings, General, Reset. Reset network settings. If you're still stuck with no service, it's time to bring out the big guns. Software updates and DFU mode. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update to check. Sometimes software updates include fixes for connectivity issues. If an update doesn't work, we can try DFU mode. DFU stands for Device Firmware Update. It's like a deeper software reset. Connect your iPhone to your computer and follow the instructions for your specific iPhone model to enter DFU mode. Then, you can restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. If you've tried all the software options and you're still in the same boat, it might be time to take a look inside the phone. Section 4. Checking the hardware. Before we open up your iPhone, make sure you're working on an ESD-safe surface and wearing an anti-static wrist strap. We don't want any static electricity damaging the delicate parts inside. With the right tools and a little patience, you can tackle this repair. Carefully open your iPhone and disconnect the battery. We always want to work on a device that's turned off. Now, inspect the logic board for any signs of damage, especially around the baseband IC. The baseband IC is responsible for managing your phone's cellular and Wi-Fi connections. Check for any loose connections, corrosion or burnt components. A multimeter can be really helpful here. It can help you test for continuity and voltage, which helps you find the source of the problem. If you see any liquid damage, carefully clean the affected areas with isopropyl alcohol and a soft bristled brush. If the baseband IC is damaged, you might need to reflow it with a hot air station or replace it entirely. Both of these procedures require special tools, knowledge, and a steady hand, so be very careful or ask a professional for help. Once you've fixed any hardware issues, carefully put your iPhone back together, making sure all connections are secure and in their proper places. Reconnect the battery and turn on your device. Hopefully you'll see those signal bars and that familiar Wi-Fi icon. Section 5. Getting help from the experts. If you're not comfortable with the idea of opening up your iPhone, or if the repair seems too difficult, don't worry. There are professionals who can help. If you're in New Zealand, consider reaching out to Budget Computers&Kiwi Mobile's Repair Centre. They specialize in iPhone repair and can diagnose and fix your iPhone 12 Pro Max with no service, no baseband, and no Wi-Fi issues. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your precious tech. Good luck, and remember, a little patience and persistence can go a long way in the world of tech repair.